Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cream caramel from packet. Start by making the caramel first so it cools while you prepare the custard. Combine the packet mix with milk and eggs, whisk until smooth, strain into a pitcher, and pour gently over set caramel in molds. Cover with foil and bake in a water bath until set, then chill thoroughly before unmolding and serving. Gather your simple ingredients and tools before starting to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Warm the milk slightly to help the powder dissolve evenly, then whisk with eggs until homogeneous. Always strain the custard to remove air bubbles and solids. Pour carefully over the cooled caramel in each mold to avoid splashing the caramel. Seal with foil and prepare a water bath for even baking. Place the molds in a preheated oven using a water bath to maintain even, gentle heat and prevent cracking. Bake until the custard is just set, but still slightly wobbly in the center. Then cool to room temperature and refrigerate for several hours for best texture. To serve, loosen edges with a thin knife and invert onto plates so the caramel flows over the top for a glossy finish and balanced sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.